Okay everyone, for this time I will explain about how to fix music on Instagram. To fix this issue, you have to change your account type from professional account to the personal account because professional account cannot use copyright music. Open Instagram application and then go to the profile. After doing this, you just click on the right corner, go to the setting and privacy, and then go to the business tools and controls. After doing this, switch account type to the business account or creator account, then to personal account. Switch to personal account. So after doing this, you can resolve this problem. So after you change your account type, this will fix your problem.